Wheatstone bridge. In the Wheatstone bridge, Nana, four resistors are there. One is P, other one is Q, another one is R, another one is S. In the Wheatstone bridge consists of four resistors of resistances P, Q, R and S. Okay? P, Q, R and S. In these four resistors arranged in the quadrilateral shape. Here I connect battery. This is A, this is C. Okay? A and C connected to the battery. B and D connected to the galvanometer. Galvanometer resistance is capital G. Okay? Now, bridge is balance. What is the meaning of bridge balance? Bridge balance means, look the diagram. Look the diagram now. Bridge balance means the condition is P by Q. Look here now. P by Q equal to R by S. Once again I repeat, bridge balance means P by Q equal to R by S. P by Q, R by S. In the situation, potential at B equal to potential at D. Simply, no potential difference between B and D. That means no potential difference, no current flow through the galvanometer. No current flow through the galvanometer. Simply, current passing through the galvanometer becomes zero. Current passing through the galvanometer becomes zero. There is no current passing through the galvanometer. That is called bridge balance. Bridge balance P by Q equal to R by S. Okay? This is called balanced Wheatstone bridge. Look here, Nana. Stop. Look here. Phone saki cut jeba. Next, Nana, I discuss. This is the Wheatstone bridge. Look the diagram. P, Q, R, S. This is the Wheatstone bridge, Nana. Here, the terminals A, B connected to the battery, Nana. Okay? C, D. Look here. In the situation, this is called balanced Wheatstone bridge. What is the condition for balanced Wheatstone bridge? P by Q equal to R by S. In the situation, find effective resistance in the circuit. Simply, total resistance in the circuit. Nana, two resistors in series. What is the formula? Rs equal to R1 plus R2. For example, two resistors are in parallel. What is the effective resistance formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Look here. Two resistors in series. What is the formula for RS? R1 plus R2. Two resistors in parallel. What is the formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Look here, Nana. Here, galvanometer also there initially. Galvanometer resistance G. What is the condition in the question? Bridges balance. Bridges balance, its meaning is current flowing through the galvanometer becomes zero. That is, no electrical connection between C and D. That is, here galvanometer no works. So it can be removed. Okay? Here current flown, I be the current flown through the battery. It will be divided two parts. This is I1, this is I2. In this point, current divide, its meaning is upper combination and lower part, upper part and lower part. Current divide, that is called parallel combination. Okay, but this is to see here. Current flow continuously A to C, C to B. These two are in series. Look here. Here also current flow continuously A to D, D to B. Current flows continuously. These R and S are in series. P and Q are in series. పైన టూ సిరీస్ అంటే R1 ప్లస్ R2 సింపుల్గా P ప్లస్ Q. ఓకే, కింద చెప్పాలి. కింద రెండు సిరీస్ R ప్లస్ S. అకార్డింగ్ టు డయాగ్రామ్ హియర్ కరెంట్ డివైడ్, ఇట్స్ మీనింగ్ అప్పర్ పార్ట్ and lower part are in parallel. What is the RP formula? RP formula, tell me. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. According to this situation, what is the R1 value? R1 value, upper part value P plus Q, lower part value R plus S. Okay, whole by P plus Q plus R plus S. This is the effective resistance of balanced Wheatstone bridge. Effective resistance of balanced Wheatstone bridge. What is the, this is balanced Wheatstone bridge. What is the effective resistance formula? Directly. P plus Q into R plus S by P plus Q plus R plus S. Okay? Hold. Look the diagram, Nana. P, Q, R, S. In the previous situation, bridge is balance. Bridge is balance, that means current flowing through the galvanometer is zero. But in the situation, the bridge is unbalanced. Simply, current passing through the galvanometer not equal to 0. In the situation, find effective resistance. Bridge is balance. What is the effective resistance formula? P plus Q into R plus S by P plus Q plus R plus S. Suppose bridge is unbalanced. That means galvanometer is working. In the situation, what is the effective resistance formula? Look here, very important formula. PQ into R plus S plus P plus Q into RS plus G into P plus Q into R plus S whole by G into P plus Q plus R plus S plus P plus R into Q plus S. Very important, Nana. Look the formula. Focus, write the running notes also, Nana. This is not in the material. Please write the notes. Focus, say. Focus. Atla notes kasevu. చూపిస్తానండి ఇక్కడ. Look here, Nan. Look the diagram. According to Wheaton Bridge, here this is called P. This is called Q. This is called R. This is called S. To see what is the P value? Small r. What is the Q value? Capital R. What is the R value? R. What is the S value? Small r. What is the galvanometer resistance? G equal to R. Here bridge balance or unbalance first to determine. Okay. For example, the condition P by Q equal to R by S satisfy this bridge is balancing bridge. Once again I repeat, P by Q equal to R by S. The bridge is balancing bridge. Look here now. According to situation, here P value is small r, Q value is capital R. Here capital R value capital R, S value small r. Here left side small r by capital R, right side capital R by small r. This is not balanced, Nana. So the bridge is unbalanced bridge. First to identify the bridge balance or unbalanced. This is unbalanced bridge. In the situation, find total resistance in the circuit. Just previous concept I discussed, the bridge is unbalanced. The bridge is unbalanced. This is the formula. Look the formula. In the situation, the effective resistance is, look here now. Here substitute P value and Q value. What is the P value? P value small r. Q value capital R into here R plus S. R plus small r. Look here. Plus P value small r. Q value capital R. R value R. S value small r. Plus G value in the diagram. G value in the diagram small r. Here small r plus capital R into capital R plus small r whole by, look here, G into here P value small r, Q value capital R, R value R, S value small r plus P value small r, R value capital R, Q value capital R, S value small r. Here Nana neatly write as in the numerator R plus R common, Nana. Look the diagram. Here R. Here Nana R plus R common. R plus R common. Small r into R plus R is remain. Look here. Okay. In the denominator also R plus R common, Nana. Look here. Here G into, look the diagram. Look the here Nana. R plus R to R. R plus R to R. 2 common, Nana. R plus R already common. Plus R plus R common. Remaining will be R plus R. R plus R what, Nana? Cancel. In the numerator small r also common, Nana. Look here. Small r common. Okay, here capital R plus capital R. Tell me. 2R plus 2R plus R plus R nana whole by, look here, 2G plus R plus R nana. In the numerator, small r into, here write 3R plus R. But G value, we know that, nana. What is the G value? G value small r. G value small r. Here write R plus 2R plus R, 3R. This is the final solution, nana. What is the total effective resistance in the according to diagram? Small r into 3R plus capital 3 capital R plus small r by R plus 3R. Very important, nana. This is the JE question. What is the why here this formula can be used? This is the unbalancing Western bridge, nana. Unbalancing Western bridge, we apply this formula. What is the effective resistance formula? Small r into 3 capital R plus small r by R plus 3R. To look here.